1995 GMC 1500 Sierra. Really nice truck. Really well kept up. It's got a stock converter there. Then 3-inch pipe. And we continued that 3-inch pipe into a wide pipe, 2.5 inch, or 3-inch to 2.5. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the sides. There and there. 4-inch angle cut. There it is. And there. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Discount muffler. Much better. One second, Tim, on that. Give it gas. Sound decibels, go ahead. 106. That's not bad. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah, once you change, if you do the tab 2, it'll open it up even more. What size motor's in it? 4.3. 4.3.
I was trying to find that 4.3.
Yeah.
It does now. It did.
Get on it.